Hello, it's Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Wednesday, July 31st, 2019, the last day of July. It was also inventory day, but the inventory report really didn't show much reaction when I was watching it. It did go a 3p move from entry point. There was a short. I was able to capture some of it, but I went down 15 ticks before I went positive on the day. So it was my third attempt. My third attempt was able to catch a decent little trade. Now, as far as the month of July for me, I took a couple weeks off as a recap here. Let's just call this the July recap. So I took a couple weeks off. I decided to slow my trading down. I decided to try to lower my entries as far as entry points. As far as swings, I'm at a new account high. So my account from roughly today was day 29, I think, of the pro funded account. So obviously started at 0. I went up to 800, went down to almost minus 500 at my low peak, and now I've progressed up to over 1300 in the pro funded account. So that is 29 days of trading inside the or 29 trading days, I should say, from when I started in June through July, taking a couple weeks off. I don't believe I started the pro funded account until around the 10th of June. I'm not exactly sure, but I think that's roughly when I started. If you go back and I'm pretty sure that's when I did start. Now, let me pull up my. This doesn't include my stats today, which I had 2 losers, 1 winner. My winning day percentage right now is standing at 79%. Let's go over some of the statistics here. These are average statistics right now, and the things I like to look at the most are average win to loss duration. So my average win duration was 17 minutes and 11 seconds. My average loss was 3 minutes and 56 seconds. So that's what that's telling you is I'm not holding my losers for very long, but I'm letting my winners. I'm allowing that winning trade to work in my favor a little bit. So ideally, I like to see that a little bit higher above the 20-minute mark. But 17 minutes and 11 seconds is not bad. And I'd like to see the other side of that a little bit lower, but 3 minutes and 56 seconds isn't bad either on the losing side. So as far as average profit goes, my average winning trade is roughly $86.52. My average losing trade is $82.05. So that's okay. I'm all right with that because my winning trade percentage is 53.37%. So it's a little bit, probably about 53.35 after today, smoke clears and whatnot. So that's kind of some of the statistics that I got right now. The equity curve is, it's a curve. It's not a flat line. It's not a straight up. It's not a straight down. It's called a curve because that's what happens. Since I've taken a little bit more time in my trading, it's been a little bit better as far as slowing my trading down, trying to find valid entry points, and using the open a little bit to help me out. One of the key components I think that helped me turn a corner for a little bit is looking at what was going, and this is just common sense, but but looking what happened in the overnight, see what high volume it was there, and determine which side of the market do I want to go on, and only one attempt at the open itself. So not 2 attempts, not 3 attempts, just 1 attempt. And if I lose, I stand aside and wait for a better opportunity in the market. And that's kind of helped me overall. Yes, I'm getting in the market, but if I do lose that trade, if it doesn't go 2p or 3p on the open trade itself, then I'm pulling back and I'm waiting for something better to come about. As far as my worst trading day over the last 2 weeks was last Wednesday, and that probably influenced this today for me because I went down minus 30. I think it was minus 32 last week. So that probably influenced this Wednesday. I was sitting at minus 15 and I really didn't want to go down over minus 20 something today. I really wanted to stay away from minus 30. So in that third trade, I pretty much got myself out of the hole, moved my profit stop to a little above where the market was trading, and it took me out, and I was able to get a little bit of profit, but it's profit. So this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm up 58 ticks overall, or 580 bucks. So I'm protecting that as well. And we got Thursday and Friday. My two favorite days of trading are Thursday and Friday of the week. So now we have, we've noticed the afternoons recently has been a lot of activity. I'm talking about Monday and Tuesday driving the market up. You know, I like to be on the short side, but I try not to ignore the long itself. So that's another thing that I do when I should say, when the market is not being favorable to the way I like to trade, you know, stand aside, wait for a more favorable setup to come along, and then attempt it and know what ranges. For instance, if the range is like 4p, you know, and it's an up move, then perhaps we can retrace back too. So know what the market can do in any given day if I want to participate in it. So my camera was a little bit skewed today, but I will let it go. That's about it. That's good. Let's wrap it up here, and let's really wrap it up. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Once again, it was my July, I guess my after 29 days of trading in the pro funded account where I'm standing right now, or a recap. So we'll bring in another recap. Hopefully it will continue to grow the account, working my way to 5,000 and turn that into real money. That's the goal right now. All right, that's it. Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.